Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to install NetBeans ID and Java JDK. So let's get started. In browser, type here NetBeans, hit the enter, and then click on the NetBeans. It's the official website of the NetBeans Apache. So click on download. Just wait. We will come in the installer and package. Click on here. Okay, go below, scroll down. Okay, here are the version for the Windows and then Mac, and we are using the Windows, so click on the Windows. It will start downloading over here. Okay, just wait, it will take a few minutes. So we have downloaded successfully. Open to the download folder. The download, here it is, and double click on this. I have the old version. Click on yes. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. Just wait. Yeah, configuration and the installer. Click on the next, and then accept the license. Okay, and then there the path is given the JDK 20 version that we have installed. Click on the next and keep it same. And again, letting Apache NetBeans ID installation. Just wait. Finally, here the screen. Click on finish. Okay, then we have installed. Open it. Okay, then here is the first window. We are going to create a new project. Right click on new project. So click on Java with Maven and Java application. Click on Java Maven and Java application, then click on next. Okay, so here is the first layout. Keep it the project name say Maven project 1. Okay, keep everything same for now. We are not going to create a Portugal project for now. Project that we have created. SRC, here the package, and then Maven. Okay. Just wait. Once the directory is in building, then we will run it. Okay, so now we are going to run it. Right click on this file and run the file. Here is the output. Here is the code that we have did. Here is the output, the hello world, and here is the code that we want to print. Hello world written over there. Thanks so much for watching my video.